We have all been here. You have to build a quarterly report, a pitch deck, or a social media post, and you are just starting a blank white screen. Making it look professional take hours. Today I am showing you a tool called Lai. It's an AI design agent that builds a full beautiful presentation from scratch and actually keeps them strictly on brand. So here I am on their website. So this is the tool that we will review today. Let me browse here so you can see they have shared some cool PPTs here, the designs. So take your slides to the next level with Nano Banana. Okay, so behind the scene they use a Nano Banana, the Google product. I'm not sure that is same Google product or might be new model has been introduced and I'm not aware of it. So this is a recognized product by the Y Combinator. This is a top-notch startup sport company, I believe. Lots of people try their luck over there. So let me click on try for free so we can see the things in action. Okay, we have an option here of fun with a single sign-on with the login with the cloud, and we can use a send magic link. I believe they are using a Supabase because I heard the Supabase for the send a magic link, but my statement is stupid, like anyone can build this one. Okay, let me try with sign up with Google here. Yeah, sign up is completed. Okay, I have here from ads. Okay, then there we go. So this is our main dashboard. You can see we have a different things here. We have a create design, and we have a new presentation. We have a APIs. If I go in the APIs, you can create your API key, and you can bind with your own applications to build the designs. And I'm not sure if they provide us some kind of documentations for this, but this is how the things work. And in the setting, currently I'm on the free editions. You can still click on upgrade, and you can choose your pricing plan. They have uploaded their MD file. So this is how their credits work. The renewed monthly up to 50 AI slides. And if I go down, here we go. This is a few resources they have shared, like this is a free PPT tool, and this is all those stuff. I'm not sure how this is built, but this is really cool. And if you are not interested to use this tool, so you can simply click on delete account and you will be out. Okay, so this is a design like a format top AI design tool and brand. Okay, so let me click on here, and let me try for Instagram. Okay, so something is ready. So here choose a design system. Okay, so they have uploaded some predefined design systems, I believe. So either you can select one of them or let Lai to style it. This one, here we go. But we are here to test this one. So what I will describe here, describe the one message to post should an announcement, quote, state, and promo. You can post your content, describe your idea, put. Oh, this is okay. So currently they are supporting some different models here. You can select based on your requirement, and you can choose. I'm not sure if there is a concept to bring your own key. On meanwhile, I'm just typing a prompt for it for Insta post. So I will post it here directly because I am lazy. And yeah, I was talking about here this one. So either we can select a Gemini 3.1 Pro or Claude Sonnet and all those stuff. So might be this is how the things work. So I have asked on other window Gemini to create a content here. So this is content I have added up here. I will click on start. Here we go. So this is similar to other tools like Nano or ChatGPT or Gemini, because they are actually under the layer they are using their models, like they are just passing, they have created integrations between two systems, and they implemented agents to handle those stuff. But we can wait. So as per them, we have to wait 5 to 15 minutes and keep this tab open. So or either you can click here, notify me. So there's a two things here. So let me pause here. So I will be back once the post has been completed. So here we go. Looks like the post is created. Nice. So this is the all the brainstorming it did. Like the post is built and passed view. I created a scale format, Instagram post, size 3x4, feed post. It opens with a small productive 2026 tag, then bold heading with the automate and this all stuff. And it also asking if there's anything need to change, or what I can say. Can you please add some SVG math images? I'm just trying here like to check how this tool will work based on my stupid prompts. Okay, we're still thinking. Just prepared the post and updating the post now. I'm not sure it will take too much time because the post is still there, and now it just have to update few things in it to make it a more sportive. Okay. I'm not sure if meanwhile we can just move the screen on side and we can explore more, because we are just spending our time here. So I really appreciate your time, guys. If you're sitting here and just looking into this video to just make your life more productive and find out the more tools, this is the main effort. This is you guys also doing the same effort that I'm doing here to bring this tool to you. So I have paused this video. So here we go. It's saying then I have added 3 subtle hand drawn math motifs floating. Oh, here we go. This is pretty cool. I have tried this one with Gemini. Might be my prompt was not good, but here also the same way. I have just added. Can you please add some SVG math images? Like it didn't know like what is the actually math images, so it just think itself and just added a random stuff here. So I really love this one. So I will download the PNG file in my system, so later on I can just upload this one into my Instagram post. Here we go. Okay, so let me go back here. So now we can go to the presentation. Let me click here. The new presentation, the same way. Either you can select one of them from slide here, or you can just click on continue, creative slides, modern slides, creative slides, continue. I think we have to select the slide so that way the AI understand like what is the things we are looking here. So I have created the prompt on another screen. I have pasted a content here. So I will not add anything here in the presentation content because I have already added in this file. So I will just simply click here. So now it's thinking, it's drafting, it's splitting, designing. Oh, it's looking for concept and doing the architecture things. Now it's doing the styling on it. Okay, still crafting. Okay, it just prompted. Yeah, that's the right word. So it's prompted here for few questions. Keep 6 slides or 3. I have added a content 3. You can see create a 3 slide Instagram post, and I will go that way. And after that, we will try more things here to review the actually capabilities of this tool. Might be I will generate some quarterly business report, and we'll see how the things will work. But we are running out of time, so I will try to minimize here. So this is a cool window. It's just showing up like the things are still loading. Let's wait for a few minutes. Looks like things are coming up. Okay, mistake developer make with cloud APIs. Mistake ignoring high latency, hard coding APIs. Okay, that's good. So it created a content. So if I click on next, so I'm hoping some. Okay, so you have to select here. Okay, I will go with this way. Okay, now. Oh, nice. So when I click here, it's also sending this information to the agent. So number of variants per slide is 3 to, we can say to 3. Model is Nano Banana and Janae AI slide. So basically, I believe, as per my understanding, there is a 2 types of agents here they are using under the layer. The first that was just created the content and might be reface that content to utilize in a more proper way. And then after selecting the theme, the design system, so they just inject or pass that content or something to that agent that is they are using under the layer to the large language model with the pre-context, and now on the screen the agent just filling up all this information. So in a few moments we are able to see our slides. So here we go. We can just see our slides like Instagram post. Oh, nice. I was not sure if I had this one. Okay. So here we go. Hard coding API case mistake, and yeah, this is perfect. Like if you are a founder, marketer, or just someone who hates formatting slides, this is a massive time saver. You can try it out for free. I'm just sharing their URL in the comment section. Drop a comment. How many hours a week do you waste just trying to make documents look good? Don't forget to subscribe for more daily productive tools, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye bye.